Hey everyone, HVAC Repair Guy here. Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between two heavy hitters in the ductless world, Arcoaire and Aux. Both of these brands have carved out a solid space in the market, but which one belongs in your home? To keep things fair, I'm putting two of their premium category models against each other. The Arcoaire QuietComfort Series, D5 CSRA, and the Aux AFEB Series. Let's see how the specs stack up. First up, efficiency. The Arcoaire QuietComfort is a powerhouse with a 26 SEER rating, while the Aux AFEB comes in at 22 SEER. Both use variable speed condenser fans and compressors, which is what you want for smooth operation. When it comes to noise, the Aux AFEB is slightly quieter indoors at 20 decibels compared to Arcoaire's 22. Outdoors, it's a similar story. The Aux unit hums at 51 decibels, while the Arcoaire is just a hair louder at 52.5. Both units offer heat pump functionality and smart features like voice control and auto cleaning. However, if you're looking for flexibility, Arcoaire supports ceiling units, whereas the Aux AFE is strictly a wall mount setup. We're halfway through and the specs are tight. I want to hear from you. If you were buying today, would you prioritize the higher efficiency of the Arcoaire or the slightly quieter operation of the Aux? Drop a comment below right now and let me know which feature matters most to you. Now, let's talk about the long game. Warranties. This is where things get interesting. Arcoaire offers a 10-year warranty on the unit and compressor, plus a 5-year unit replacement warranty. Aux, on the other hand, steps up with a 12-year warranty on both the unit and the compressor, though they don't offer a specific unit replacement guarantee. Regarding availability, Arcoaire is strictly a dealer-installed brand, meaning you'll need a pro to get it. Aux is widely available across the USA, Canada, and Mexico, and while it also requires a dealer for this specific model, the brand generally has a broader retail footprint. So, who wins? If you want the absolute best efficiency and the peace of mind that comes with a 5-year unit replacement, no hassle pledge, go with the Arcoaire QuietComfort. But if you want a longer 12-year standard warranty and a slightly quieter machine, Aux is your winner. My final pick? For the long-term energy savings, I'm going with the Arcoaire QuietComfort. Thanks for watching.